10 minutes. Nice. Maar ze look like province. You can smell the...
Dat is gewoon
This the poop there, I think. Yeah.
van de landen.
It's a province place. And you learn already our theme song? Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Rexa, 300 meter. Kahit na nasaan ka, nasaan na ba tayo? May nakita kaming kabayo. This is I like in Holland, like this. A lot of trees. It's bonito. This is
Ja, Rokanje.
Rokanje. Also.
Hier zie je gemeente voor
Ja.
aan zee.
Gewoon rector, nog 5 minuten. Oh. Oh, small
Zie je,
house
kijk,
over here.
het is rustig.
Yeah.
Niet dat gezaag.
I hope there's a Filipino living here. It's already a village in the province. No? Small town.
Ja, maar ik hou hiervan.
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna change our place. This Dikbay Mulder is such
Ja,
a...
groot dierenwinkel.
My God.
Dit
There's a
slapen kan je
market.
ook nog.
Only one is... May market only. Oh, it's really
Ja,
province.
want dat is toch juist relaxed, hè?
I hope I have a neighbor here, a Filipina neighbor. It's gonna be new environment. We're going to strand sa ulam.
Blauwe vlagstrand. Nou,
Or,
kijk. Hier.
it's nice this one, as long as Dikbay say. So I can make
Ik zou hier
myself
echt wel
brown.
zo kunnen wonen als je komt.
Yeah, it's okay for me. We're getting old, so we can have relax. Sport park, drinken.
Ja, drinken.
No, for me it's okay as long I can.
Kijk wat voor raar is dan. Drie van die...
What the? Maybe that's neighbor. No, the under is Kilder. Under is Kilder.
Dit zijn gewoon ook de wat grotere huizen.
Yeah. It's really province this one.
Hier, brasserie en lodges. Hier kan je relaxen, hier zo slapen. En nou, kan je ook in de buurt hier vissen misschien. Maar zijn we er bijna of zijn...
There's a strand.
Ja, joh, het is nog altijd goedkoper als bij ons.
Welcome. But this is
Ik ga gewoon helemaal naar voren.
I hope it's not cold. It is short. Tingnan namin kung anong meron dito sa beach na to.
Tweede Wereldoorlog.
Denk ik.
Ja.
World War. All the people died. World War II. So possible there's still how you say that?
Van Poel.
Yeah, like a bomb, no? Like a bomb. 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 That's the same.
Bam of bom? Nee, dat is niet de same.
It's a bomb. Bomb.
Gewoon boom. Hier, het eerste naam die ik kies, Joni Groeneveld. Oh nee, Job Groeneveld.
You're bad, Scott. You're so young.
Zo. Heel
young,
de
this
familie.
one.
J van de Zee, B van de Zee en H van de Zee.
Yeah, it's really young, huh? 19. I think there's a house over here. Miskin. Na? 1944. Nakasangin. Tapos nakashort ako. Piling matapang sa lamig to ah. Malinis talaga dito. Ano? Bawat sulok may basurahan. Ha? Nee. Melaw pa. Lakas ng hangin.
Het is heel anders dan bij ons dit.
Mhm. Grabe ang hangin. I don't want to be my shoes. Uy! I don't ang lalim na ang layo ng kati ng kwan ng tubig. From dito from doon hanggang doon ang kati. Kung nakapaalang ako, kanina pa ako naglusong dong.
Leuk, het mooiste.
Maraming tulya dyan dong. Galing nila mag-ganyan. Ayun, sketch. Dahil lang sa parang siyang eclipse ang ganda. Sumusunod lang yung hangin sa sumusunod lang yung kanilang sa hangin. Parang siyang jet ski. Lalakas ang mga muscle niya nila siguro. Super tigas. Lumakad na yung isa sa may tubig. Scott! Ang ganda Boom! Yun, lumagapak siya sa tubig. Ang titibay ng mga tuhod niya nila. Andun sa dulo ang dami. Ang dami sa dulo. Ang dami sa dulo. Scotcha! My God! Tumayo na din yung isa. Naku, babagsak! Ayun, bumagsak nga. Yun, lumipad na naman siya. Galing nilang ganyan. Never ko pa na-try yan. Takot ako sa tubig Takot ako sa tubig. Galing niya Wait lang, videohin ko Saan siya? Galing niya, sobrang galing. Oops. Nakahangin lang yung nagpapaka sa kanila. Scott! Nasaan na si kuya? Bumagsak tuloy my schooner is... Ah, nee. I thought it's alive. It's not alive. Well, stop puta ka.
Kijk.
No, alive. What you are... I thought it's alive. The... Uy, ang ganda, ha?
Kijk. Kijk.
What is that? Uy, walk, Scott. Maybe we found pearl.
Naar daar lopen.
What is it there?
Ja,
Oh,
weet
daar
ik
ligt
niet.
het.
Misschien dat we daar...
Oh, I saw a light now. Oh, the guy is already there. No, there's another one there. They're together lately. See? He's already there. It's already far away than this one. This one he cannot go out. See? Always, oh, he get look at the other one there. See? That's good. And this one is always going down.
Gewoon een harde wind, hoor.
Yeah. Look, see? The other one is there. This one is always going down. Look, 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 it's going down again.
Oefenen, oefenen.
Yeah.
Maar dit is diegene die bij ons auto zit.
Wait. The Gruna? Oh. No. I think he's still there. Yeah, he's still there. This one is already here when we came. Oh, it's going down again. I think he's here. Going up, 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 up. Look at the seagull. He's eating. Yeah, kijk. So I think. Later, I put it out my shoes. Schoona. Scott, can we get... I want to walk on this. I wanna... Yeah. Just wait, I go there. I wanna feel the beach. Come! Boy! Ako, buko. Which one? Yeah. Yeah. And we can find something. Ayun na, nag-araw na siya. Where's the sun? Is there? Where's the sun? Maglakad-lakad ka. Maglakad-lakad sa tabing dagat. You tried that one before? I think she's a woman, I think, huh? Look like a woman. She's a woman. Like a saranggola. What is that? Jenny? Look like a jellyfish. Well, it's a jellyfish. It's a stone. It's a pearl. It's a pearl. No, it's not. A piece of house. What is that? Find stick. I think there's something over here. Meron lang dito. Meron dito something. What? No, it's not. I'm gonna use my finger. What is in there? I think it's more. I think it's That's why I want to go to Sealand. You remember we've been there? Oh! What is that? Is that? Ew, what is that? Magdala na lang ng tinidor. Uy, they make something here. Ay, what's it to make?
2,000 years later.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful?